Alright, good morning everyone. I'm doing an unboxing video for the 720 watt CT 720, and this is made by Cretivity. Excellent company. And so in this excuse me, in this model here, it arrives folded, and then you have to go ahead and take the unit that arrives upside down and just flip it over and then transfer these nuts to go ahead and secure. There's multiple holes here to be able to go ahead and secure. So once again, it shows up upside down and then you just need to flip it over, and then there's these twist lock connections, so you make sure that these are tightened up on all these. So the three connectors go to the three ballasts, and then you have your mounting hardware already integrated, which is awesome. You don't have to go ahead and add, additional, hooks and additional, things of that nature to be able to go ahead and hang it, which I really like. This is the product that comes with the kit with the light. You get the 720 watts, one piece, of course. You get 8 screws. There's a RJ14 connection right here to go ahead and go to the RJ connection port here, and this will go ahead and hook up to a master controller, and you can go ahead and control it with your cell phone as well. And so that's this, and then you have your plate that will go ahead and attach right here to these holes here. This is going to go ahead and keep it from wanting to fold while it's up in the air. And so you're going to go ahead and take the 8 screws and the Allen wrench that comes with it and go ahead and install here, and the same thing on the other side right here. So then it comes with it comes standard with like a European plug head, and so it has an adapter to go ahead and make it work for America. And so I go ahead and connect the adapter onto here, and Bob's your uncle, good to go. And so it also comes with this hanging attachment. And so these are really nice, these ratchets. And so this is a really nice kit. You can see the input is 720 watts, 2.6 µmol, 1870 on the ppf. The light distribution is 120 degrees. Max ambient temperature is 113 degrees, which is pretty decent. The fixture dimensions are 126 millimeters, 1000 millimeters by 77. Voltage is going to be your standard 120, or you can kick it up to the 277. And it does have the Samsung LED 281B chips. And you can see that this is the power supply, this is the dimmer. And so I'm very happy with their product, very much so. Impressed. I'm running 2 of their 1000 waters right now in my room, and so this is the 720, which I'm very excited to go ahead and kick on and go ahead and take another video in a few minutes with it powered up. But yeah, this is what you get for your money, and it's very much worth it. 8 bars, 720 watts, plenty of space. I love this company.